All right, since this whole home security thing kind of blew up on me, I'm gonna roll with it. Let's do my camera system. Obviously, Ring Doorbell, they're like $100. They work. I've had older models, the brand new model, they all work. However, I don't recommend installing the floodlight camera, the stick-up camera. I don't recommend going full Ring product or full Wi-Fi cam product for that matter across your whole house, interior and exterior. And that is because one, they don't really allow for continuous recording. If you want to go back and view like an hour of footage, you can't do that with a Wi-Fi camera. And it eats up all the Wi-Fi bandwidth in your house and slows down your internet for gaming, for streaming, working from home. It just slows everything down. So for my primary setup, I have the Reolink 4K system that has person and vehicle detection. These are on the exterior of my house and cover every entrance to the backyard, front yard, driveway. It covers everything, and it's recording 24/7 and keeps about 2 weeks worth of footage. You also don't lose the ability to get push notifications to your phone, so I have it push notify me. For example, if a person walks on my property, I'll get notified. Also, the NVR that I ordered with the 4-camera kit allows up to 8 cameras to be installed, so I bought this pan-tilt zoom camera. This is a little more expensive, but it's dope because it will track full 360. It'll track person or vehicle motion. It also has two-way audio, so I can talk to somebody if I see them, and it has a spotlight and a siren. So at night, I have it set to turn on a spotlight and then track a person if they enter my property. So that's super intimidating for a potential intruder. Also, it looks super cool because it's super low key until the light comes on. So this is my front yard. You can see the camera right there in the top corner by the flag. It's super hard to see in the daytime, but at night, if that thing turns on, it's super bright and super intimidating. Here's what it looks and sounds like when it's in action. It looks like a little R2 unit. Another cool thing about going with a hardwired unit like the Reolink system is that they are power over Ethernet. This means you just need to run one Ethernet wire to the camera instead of a power and all sorts of other wires. It's just one wire. You wire that from the camera directly to the NVR and you're good to go. Another thing that I do is pretty trick is I have the NVR, my Wi-Fi router, and my modem all plugged into a UPC, which is an uninterruptible power supply. This means if the power goes out at my house, I'll still be able to access my cameras and my cameras will still be recording even if there's no power.